Have you ever tried to carry a chainsaw on a tractor? Where the heck do you put it so it doesn't fall off? Here's an idea. If you have an extra bar sleeve for one of your chainsaws, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to mount it right here on the inner side of the rear fender well. Grab yourself a couple of carriage bolts. Next, make a mark with a Sharpie where you want the bolts. Make sure there's nothing behind the wheel well. It's going to give you issues. So I'm going to make it here and here. The next thing to do is to find a bit where you can, the head of the carriage bolt will go through, but do not drill through both sides, just the top part. Next step, find a drill bit that matches the shaft diameter of your bolt. That looks about right. When you drilled, it should have made an indentation on the other side. So simply drill that out. Next, because you already have the hole location, take it over to your tractor and drill holes through the fender well. Now mine's walking everywhere, so I'm going to use a punch and keep it from walking. Make sure your drill has enough battery in it. I inserted the one bolt so I could get a positive identification of where I want the next one. I don't want it straight up. I want it about, I don't know, 65-degree angle, so I'm going to drill right there. The last thing to do, tighten it down, making sure that the head of the carriage bolt is not obstructing the bar so that you don't scratch the bar when it goes down. The last thing to do, take your chainsaw, slip it into the sleeve, and that'll keep it out of the way. It makes it handy for when I need it.